I expect it to be a lot colder. I'm not gonna. Yeah, we might not need to use our hand warmers. Not that cold.
It's gonna get warmer.
Yeah. All right, don't use your hand warmers. All right, save it for tonight.
Tonight? What are we doing tonight?
No, we're just gonna walk around.
Again? I thought we were gonna take a nap after this. We are.
Yeah, we are. I'm talking about tonight when we go have Thanksgiving dinner.
Where are we gonna eat? At the Sapa there?
No, Mommy got us a restaurant somewhere.
Oh, look.
Oh, that's Radio City down there. You guys went down there last night, remember? Oh. Oh, about it, yeah.
Watching from above.
Camera now. Yeah, right.
Happy Thanksgiving! Cookie!
Come on.
Hi. Oh, yeah, so
Oh, they opened the road back up again, right?
Who are those people who kept on selling juice?
Here, Chris.
Yeah, he's eating a
Chris,
banana.
I got the mic for you.
Oh.
Yeah, say something.
Hello.
All right, talk about what's going on in the parade. Happy Thanksgiving to
So, there's like a lot of balloons.
Grandpa.
There's like a lot of balloons and there's...
Is there another band coming?
I don't see them. Oh yeah.
And there's...
Behind the duck.
And there's a lot of statues and stuff, bands, and that's
Your first
it.
time here, Chris?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Alright, who's that?
It's a peacock. Remember the thing, peacock? Remember? You have to sign in, peacock.
Oh, camera, go, camera. Camera.